Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Whether you guys are here from TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, I just want to say thank you for all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button to subscribe and get all the notifications, and make sure to like, share, and comment. So today I'm going to be doing a everything I got from TikTok shop. So first thing that I'm going to start with is this box, because I'm not really sure like what it is or what is in it. So the first item that I have is the One Size Beauty setting spray and setting powder. So let me go ahead and open it up for you guys. And this is 1 ounce. This is the setting spray, just to try it out. Stay tuned for a makeup, like updated makeup tutorial with some of these products. I got the Ultra Pink. So this is how it looks. I'm not gonna open it like right now because I'm not doing my like makeup right now, but like when I do and I record a video, you guys should be able to see a little more. When I do and record a video, you guys should be able to see like a little more of like product testing and you know how it goes. So the second item that I got was this. So this is a ski mask. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this or how. So the next thing are these makeup blotting pads. And you just use them to like set your face, set your setting powder. So I decided to try these. And I think they came in like a pack of 20. Next item I got are these earmuffs. Because I'll be going on a ski trip soon, so I figure why not get these? They're cute. And then so the next item I got is this wireless lavalier microphone. So okay, so this is the charger that it comes with. And then let's see how this little baby works. So you plug up this to your phone. Plug up this to your phone and like this. And this is the microphone. So you can kind of like clip it right here. And then I think it needs to be charged. Okay. Hello, testing, testing. Can you hear? Okay. Hello? Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to use this little microphone thing. Okay, I don't know if it's working or not because it's supposed to connect to my phone and then I'm supposed to hear it. So TikTok, you will definitely be the first to know like if this is working or not. I kind of hear the microphone in the background, and it does say that it's on with the green light. So head to my TikTok if you want to see how this works and things like that. I might use it for the duration of my little video that I got going on here. Hear the microphone in the background, and it does say that it's on with the green light. So head to my TikTok if you want to see how this works
and things like that. I might use it for the duration of it.
And my last item from that bag is the lip glow oils, the variety pack. So I'll just try one on. I'll try Rosewood. So this is the oil. And last but not least, I got this protection case. It's a privacy screen protection case. Comes with like two actually. Okay guys, so that's all that I have from the TikTok shop. There will be a part 2 because I ordered more items and things. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.